Hello everyone, my name is Alan from Technology Moments and thanks for watching our videos. Today we share with you our experience with the Winess Mini IP Wi-Fi camera, which features Full HD, motion sensing, dual-way audio, so let me show you what this little camera is all about. As of now, we've been testing this for a couple of weeks and we have to tell you that it's a nice product with many advantages and a few disadvantages. You'll find in the package the accessory box, the camera itself, as well as the user's guide or instructions manual. The camera features a magnetic mount which, for what we've seen in several other models we've tested, has proven to be very handy. Not too secure, but makes it very simple to install. With the stand, you can place it on top of whatever place you want, and location can be as flexible as such, so you can take it to your kid's room and keep him monitored. Pets, elders, garages, and basically any place at home or office you might want to keep an eye on. In the accessory box, you'll find the power adapter, the micro USB power cable, and some mounting screws, as well as an additional wall mount that can be secured with the adhesive tape or with a small screw attached to any structure. You'll just have to detach the upper support from the desktop mount and attach it to the magnetic wall mount. Then you can place it anywhere you want, especially at unreachable places. Configuring the camera is very simple and is among the best we've seen so far for this matter. You'll just have to download the app and create an account, which by the way will manage many smart devices, among which cameras and security is just one category. Select Add, scan the QR code, type your current Wi-Fi password, wait until the camera is configured and you're all set. The whole process doesn't take more than 3 minutes. One important thing to consider is that this camera connects only to Wi-Fi networks in the 2.4 GHz band, which is very common and has greater range, but may be subject to some interference in crowded environments. Also, something important to consider is that this camera features a low power radio, which may be troublesome in some areas with weak signals. Now let me show you some more clips and details, as that is what most users want, to see exactly what you get when reviewing events recorded by your security cameras. So here, a few clips and different situations into which we've placed this camera. Let me tell you what we've seen so far besides the very simple setup process. It features an acceptable image and quality, does not seem to look really as Full HD, or this may be due to the fact that it was downloaded and you need to record your streaming from the device. Stability has been a good aspect and so far no freezes nor disconnections. And every time we've needed this camera, it has responded accordingly. Night vision works okay, though quality drops a little, which is something also very common in these cameras. Engaging the infrared produces a little noisy click, which may be a little annoying if your camera is close by. Also, if there is a power failure, once camera reboots, it'll generate a quite loud sound. At first, we thought it was just the initial setup sound, but it was not, so that may alert intruders that there may be something wrong with the security camera power. Day footage was okay and you can see it right here and you can evaluate it yourself. Quality is okay, but at some moment between it being recorded and downloaded to your mobile device, it seems like a little quality is lost. Clips are not as long as they need to be and are limited to 15 seconds. The only workaround is enabling continuous recording, and 1-minute continuous clips will be recorded to your device. As we said, you can save clips in your cell phone by recording them with the corresponding button, or just replace for another micro SD card so you can keep on recording. But there is not an easy way to read the micro SD on your computer, and we were not able to open files with the most common video players. Something that I think may improve in future firmwares. By the way, the manufacturer suggests using a 64GB micro SD card, which has proven to be more than enough. A little heads up, different to what we've seen in most camera models, you have to manually activate motion sensing, so events will be recorded after you unbox this unit. Something we realized a day after having installed the camera and only noticed when events were gonna be checked. Notifications work as expected, so motion events will reach your smart devices as configured. Connecting it to your digital assistant was as fast as enabling the skill in the Alexa app and asking it to show it on screen. It has always responded and no comments about this feature, which is one of the ones I like the most, as I like to keep an eye on my sons and my pet through my Echo Show devices. Many aspects are in favor of this camera. However, some features are missing or are left for the monthly subscriptions that we usually do not encourage in any device we've used and tested. Good thing is that if you just want to record and document events in front of your camera, it'll do just that in a very good way, but only if you configure continuous 24/7 recording. Summary of this experience with this camera is that we liked it, but we think that some features could be left for people to use directly out of the box without the need of a subscription. The video quality could improve as expected from this price range. Wi-Fi is not so powerful. Night vision is average, and interaction with scenes through the app may be an aspect to take advantage of, as you can program many cool behaviors of other smart devices. Thanks for watching our videos. If it was of any help, your thumbs up will be greatly appreciated so we can keep evaluating more tech products for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.